Risk assessment is a core topic when we discuss food safety risk and control. My name is Felicia Loo, and I am a registered SQF consultant who helps businesses with their SQF program requirements. Today, we delve into the pivotal topic of risk assessment requirements under SQF certification. A risk assessment is a structured process essential for identifying and evaluating potential hazards that could impact food safety within your operations. It's not merely a checkbox for compliance, but a proactive strategy to safeguard your production processes and maintain consumer trust. When does this requirement apply to your organization? If you're engaged at any level in the food supply chain, whether in production, processing, packaging, or distribution, risk assessment is a mandatory component for SQF compliance. It ensures that every part of your operation is critically evaluated against potential risks at all stages. So, what should you focus on when conducting a risk assessment? Start by identifying possible threats, analyzing their impact, and evaluating the likelihood of their occurrence. Your focus should be on developing mitigation strategies that align with the requirements laid out by SQF standards. This isn't a one-time task, but an ongoing process that needs regular updating to adapt to new risks or changes in your operations. We can guide you in fine-tuning your risk assessment process to meet SQF demands effectively. Avoid pitfalls and ensure your assessments are robust and compliant. Don't leave risk management to chance. Invest in a strategy call with me by contacting us at 123-651-32488. Fortify your food safety practices and align your business with the highest standards. Stay informed about SQF compliance and enhance your operational efficiency. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips. Engage with us by sharing your experiences or questions in the comments. Your path to risk-free operations starts here.